Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko and I'm the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to make Aurora gradient texture design using 3D color gel. I have different 3D gel colors here and will start my application with the pink and black colors. I'm using a gel builder brush number 6 for that. I need a small ridges of a 3D gel, not very big. It is possible to make some special texture too, using drawing brush or texture brush. After you finished playing with 3D gel, cure it in the lamp. Don't forget, we need tacky layer to apply Aurora this way. Now, take your brush and gently apply Aurora pigment on a tacky layer of the gel. See, it is different on a black and pink. Let's overlay it with a perfect top gel to see how it shines. It looks like a tiny chains. I will make one nail pure pink to show how tender is Aurora on a pink 3D gel. Let's see how it looks with a blue and black. When you see that black color is dominating in your gradient, apply light color once more as a final layer to improve the look. Don't forget to cure gel before Aurora application, because we need tacky layer. One more nail will be full covered with the light blue. We don't have to choose, we can use all of them. Have a beautiful manicures. Subscribe to my channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.